My name is Levi Fischer. I serve as the Director of Maintenance for Goulian Aviation. Growing up, my father would bring home small four-wheelers and mini bikes and stuff like that. Most of them I needed some work, so it was kind of a good way for me to express my mechanical interest at a young age. Being able to pull lawnmowers and four-wheelers apart, see how the inner workings and how they work. I grew up just north of Oshkosh, Wisconsin, so aviation was in my backyard. Growing up attending EAA kind of ignited my passion for aviation. EAA Air Venture is a week-long celebration of flight. There's roughly 600,000 people that attended last year, and airplanes from all over the country and all over the world show up there. It's all general aviation airplanes, and it's kind of a meeting ground of see what's new in the industry, as well as a lot of friends from around the world coming together to just celebrate aviation. Most rewarding part of my job is the continuous learning that is aviation. Whether you're diagnosing some sort of trouble a pilot is having or learning new systems like the safe return on the G7 Plus. As a growing shop, one of the biggest challenges is finding new and upcoming A&P mechanics. In the next 3 to 5 years, roughly 35% of all A&P mechanics will be up for retirement age. So it's really important to us to invest in local A&P schools and the next generation to get them up to speed. What really sets us apart from other maintenance shops is the commitment to forming relationships with our clientele. We really take the time to get to know them, to get to know their airplanes, their goals, and helping them succeed in their aviation journey. I think what motivates me to come into work every day is, quite honestly, the people I work with. I work with some incredibly talented mechanics that, as well as my job is to motivate them, they motivate me to be a better mechanic every day. We're constantly learning off each other. If one person is stuck in a rut trying to figure out a problem, often you're bouncing ideas off other mechanics, and we just have a really great team here.